Bow windows are one of those architectural features that instantly elevate the look and feel of a home. With their gentle curve, expansive glass panels, and ability to transform interior spaces, they offer something truly special. For homeowners in Mandeville, bow windows stand out not just for their beauty, but for the comfort, openness, and character they bring to everyday living. A softer, more elegant exterior appearance. Unlike flat window designs, bow windows extend outward in a smooth, curved shape. This subtle curve softens the exterior lines of a home and adds architectural interest without overpowering the design. From the street, bow windows create a welcoming and refined look that sets a home apart. In Mandeville neighborhoods, where homeowners often value curb appeal and thoughtful design, bow windows provide a distinctive feature that enhances both traditional and contemporary homes. Expansive views and natural light. One of the most defining qualities of bow windows is the panoramic view they offer. Made up of multiple glass panels, bow windows allow light to enter from several angles, brightening interior spaces throughout the day. For Mandeville homeowners, this means rooms feel more open, airy, and connected to the outdoors. The abundance of natural light helps create a warm and inviting atmosphere that enhances daily comfort and enjoyment. Creating a sense of spaciousness indoors, bow windows don't just change how a home looks from the outside, they also transform how rooms feel on the inside. By extending beyond the home's exterior wall, bow windows add depth and dimension to interior spaces. Even in smaller rooms, this extra projection creates the impression of more space. Many Mandeville homeowners use the area around bow windows as a seating nook, reading area, or decorative focal point, making the window both beautiful and functional. Enhancing interior design flexibility. The curved layout of bow windows offers design flexibility that flat windows can't match. Their shape allows for creative furniture placement, soft window treatments, and layered decor. The gentle arc naturally draws attention without dominating the room. In Mandeville homes, bow windows often become a central design element. They frame views, showcase natural light, and create a sense of balance within the space. Improving overall home comfort. Bow windows can include operable panels that support airflow and ventilation. This allows fresh air to circulate through the room while maintaining the window's expansive look. For Mandeville homeowners, this blend of beauty and practicality adds to overall comfort. The ability to enjoy fresh air while benefiting from abundant light makes bow windows a versatile choice for everyday living. Adding long-term value and appeal. Homes with distinctive architectural features tend to stand out, and bow windows are no exception. Their elegant design and functional benefits make them appealing to future buyers who value both aesthetics and comfort. Even if selling isn't on the horizon, Mandeville homeowners benefit from knowing that bow windows contribute to long-term property value and visual appeal. A timeless feature that enhances lifestyle. Bow windows have a timeless quality that transcends trends. They offer elegance without feeling outdated and charm without sacrificing functionality. For homeowners in Mandeville, bow windows stand out because they enhance how a home looks, feels, and functions. They bring in light, create space, and add character, all while supporting a comfortable and inviting lifestyle. Elevating everyday living. Bow windows are more than a design upgrade, they're a lifestyle enhancement. By combining beauty, openness, and versatility, they create spaces that feel special every day. In Mandeville homes, bow windows truly stand out as a feature that brings lasting value, comfort, and elegance to the heart of the home.